everyone, it's Julie again from A Beautiful Horizon. I really want to record food videos for you and health and that kind of thing, but today I got something in the mail and I thought I'd tell you about it. And it's sitting on my nose. It's these glasses. They were $40 shipped from Zenni Optical, and I don't have any affiliation with Zenni Optical unless I could find a way to be affiliated with them. Anybody know of like an affiliate program I can link below or something? Let me know. I might research that later. But as far as right now, I'm not being paid to say this or anything, but I just thought it was really cool that for 40 bucks, I got prescription glasses. I went and got my prescription. I went to Pearle Vision. You can go wherever. If you hear little noises in the background, it's my son. He's 8 months old and he's on the bed with me. So, cute little noises. Anyways, so I went to Pearle Vision and I got my eyes checked, and you just pay for the regular exam, and then you ask them for your prescription when you leave. I don't know if they would have given it to me if I hadn't asked them for it, but they have to give it to you. So I asked them for a copy of that, and then I went home, and my in-laws, like 3 of them, all got their glasses from Zenni Optical. So they were like, check this out, don't buy them in the store, they're really expensive, like go to this website. And so I went home and I went to the website, and you can put your face like right there on the website, and you can like try on the glasses like with a picture of your face, and it like you have to put the X's where your or the crosses where your eyes are and everything, and measure certain things, and then you can try them on. And these were the ones I liked, and I still like them now, so that's kind of exciting. But anyway, I was telling my mom about it, and she's like, $40, I need to get my eyes rechecked and everything, so send me the link. So instead of sending you a link, Mom, I'm making you a video because you might be the only one who ever watches this. But hopefully somebody else will find it and it could help you too. So anyway, so I went out to the mail today, and it was only like 10 or 12 days since I placed the order. And they have this little bubble bag that came in the mail. And then inside there's this case, which is a pretty decent case. So you can see right here, it says Zenni Optical on this side. It's like a matte color. Anyway, it says Zenni Optical, and it's got a little design here. And so I opened it, and there's a little bag. It had my glasses in them. And then they have this little glasses wipe, and all of this was $40 for the glasses. The little wipey thingy. Isn't that pretty? I thought that was so pretty. And the case. And I added these. You don't have to get them. But they're little sunglass shades that you just attach right onto your glasses. Let's see if I can do this. I've only done it once. But there you go. And now I have glasses too. And the funny thing is, I can't see the screen on my phone when I put the sunglasses on, so I thought I disappeared for a second, but I'm still there. Anyway, really great, like, I think they're cute shades. And then you just take them off, and you can put them in your case, and they're your glasses. So, Zenni Optical, I'll put the link below. I can't remember exactly what the website was, but I'll link it in the description box, and also my Facebook page and my Instagram and stuff down there, so check it out. So anyways, there you go, Mom. I like them. Maybe I'll do like an update later on if I still like them at the end of the month, or, you know, whatever. But there you go. Bye.